I have a particular vested interest in this coin because of something recently that's happened to me, and that is being identified as having cataracts. Now, this particular coin is called the R2, or the retinal cyanoprobe. It is a 3-piece set. So there's a large coin, a smaller 2.5 coin, and then there's a probe or a model of an eyeball. Now, the CryoProbe was invented in 1965 in a hospital in Barrawonga and is located in Soweto, Johannesburg. It was created to help along with other techniques in cryosurgery. And what happens is, as you utilize this tool, it helps remove abnormal or diseased tissue in the eye. So what they do is they take this retinal cyanoprobe and they emit this analgesic style nitrous oxide, and they insert it into a cut in the eye. And what happens is it freezes the cataract, and then it's able to be removed effortlessly. Now, the procedure is extremely good because it only targets the damaged tissue and it doesn't affect the adjacent tissue. So they can remove a portion of the lens and replace that piece without affecting the surrounding tissue, which is extremely important when doing this kind of procedure. Now, in cataract surgery, it's one of the most common procedures that are performed worldwide. And it's considered to be probably one of the most safe as well as successful treatments in all of medicine. And again, it has its roots there in South Africa. Now, the crown features the anatomy of an eye on the reverse, and the years 1965 and 2020. And then designated the year the coin was created and then the year the coin came out. It also has R2 in giant letters, and then underneath it, it has retinal cyanoprobe. And then on the right-hand side, on the left-hand side, it gives the 1 ounce designation. The verse, the national coat of arms, and the word South Africa are written in all the official language. And of course, the year of issue 2020 has been featured as well. Now, one of the other coins is what they call a tikkie, and a tikkie coin is a 2.5 cent coin. And this coin depicts a glove holding a hand, and it shows the retinal cyanoprobe. And the cool thing about this coin is that it's very small. So if you look at the picture of the crown, you can see that there's an area where there's a small circle tied in front of the optic nerve that connects to the lens of the eye. Now, if you put this little tikkie over the top of the crown in that spot, you can see the actual surgical procedure that's being recreated. Really, really cool piece. Now, there were only 1,000 of these that were minted, and currently for an MS 69 or a Proof 69 or Proof 70, they range between $230 and $350. But it's a really, really cool piece. Now, you also have the proof set that is in sterling silver, and then you have a fine silver Cougarand with the privy mark. But there were only 500 of those sets made, so again, it's a little bit more valuable. Again, I wanted to share this with you, one, because of a recent diagnosis that I had with cataracts, in which I'll probably be using this pen to have my eyes fixed. So I'm going to be in search of this coin. If you happen to know where it is or can find an authentic set, please reach out to me and let me know, because this is going to be something that I will be keeping for my personal collection. This is Frostbite. I appreciate your time. Thank you very much, and have a wonderful, wonderful day.